export. Click save video. And save in your photos now. To the volume, just the volume. Let's see. Oh yeah, wait, let me go back to my. This is the one that. Yeah, this is the one right here. Yeah, this is the one that you guys imported from stop motion. As you can see right here. Position the laser. Ironman's pushing glass hand up there. And the sword effect for Hawkeye Ronin's sword. Go down here. And if you guys are asking me, this app costed like $10. And the effects were like each $5, so you had to pay a little bit money there. Yeah. It's definitely worth it in my opinion. I didn't mean to do that, but yeah. I didn't mean to do that. I'm going to show you guys how to do is when I'm done with this, I'm also going to show you guys how I upload it, how I upload it into iMovie. Just in case you guys are curious on how I upload it. So I don't think I've ever done it. I'll show you guys how I upload. I'll do a separate video on how I'll do a separate video on how I upload it in the next video. The next video I'll do the tutorial on how I upload my video. This video I'm just gonna show you guys how I upload the effects. Stop motion. I'm gonna do the same thing again. Hold on, I think my app froze. I need to get out of the app and go back in. Sometimes you have to reload the app sometimes for freezes on here. let's get back into business now. Put some. Let's get the lasers now. Let's get the gun effect for Deadpool. Let's get the sword things for Wolverines and Deadpool. Let's get a punching sound effect. This would have been cool. I should have uploaded this on my channel like this. Yeah. So let's keep sticking with this. I think next video I'll show you guys how to upload a video or any kind of video on iMovie. If you guys are curious, I've never shown that off. So I've never shown that off on my channel. If you guys are curious on how I make it, if I upload it to some lasers actually, so there's sound effects. Let's get the punching sound effect. This takes a while. It's a process, but it still takes time sometimes. Sound effects, the claws and Deadpool swords. I can add any effects I want at this point. I wanted to add this, it's not a laser, I can add anything I want. Finish of the stop. We're gonna finish this. We have Iron Man Mark. We have Iron Man from Endgame. We have Hawkeye Ronin. We have AR Iron Man. We have Deadpool from Deadpool Fox Films. We have Logan from the Fox Film movie. We have Logan from X's Origins. X's Origins Wolverine. X's Origins Wolverine with a jacket. And Dusty Dead from Deadpool 2. And we have Domino from Deadpool 2. And then Spider-Man blocking the vid suit from Spider-Man Far From Home. So all the figures we're using is the stop motion. Let's continue this to finish this up. This literally is almost done. Let's finish this up real quick. Get this done with me, we'll be good to go. And I'll show you how you get into your photos and then pretty simple. So we'll go into this, get this thing done with, and then we'll move on to the how you build it with your photos. It's literally pretty simple. You just have to make sure it's not too long. The reason why if you guys are wondering why this album is so long is because you have too many effects in your stop motion. It doesn't let you build it. I'll show you guys that in a minute. I'm going to show you guys how to use. But as of right now, I'm going to start off this one right now. So it looks pretty cool. It's looking pretty cool so far. So I like this button in the background. So let's finish this up. Let's finish this video up. Speedwalk like this. Right, yeah, we're trying to finish it. This is looking so far. Effects wise. for the sound effect. Find this for the sound effect. These last two rows right here, see the rows right here, to finish this up, and then we'll show you guys how to build it. And to finish off, you notice in the background, it's starting to fit away in the background. It's cool. Get some sound effects from him. Okay, we're almost done. Yeah, let's get these claw things and the domino shot thing. Okay, let's get this done. Come on. She's got a few more of these. Let's just do these last ones. Let's just finish this up real quick. Let's just finish this up real quick. Let's just finish this up real quick. Finish this video up. Let's finish this video up. If you heard the song in the background when my dad and my sister or something, sorry about that. Heard someone that was my dad and my sister. Let's finish this up. Let's finish this up. Just got two more to go. So this one and this one, then we're good to go. Let's finish this up. Okay, it froze again. Hold up. It froze again. Sorry about that. Let's finish this up. This is sorry about that. Someone's calling. Sorry about that. If that noise. Let's this video up. Where's this sword thing? This takes a while. Let's finish this up real quick. Where's the volume at? Hold on. Sorry about that. The volume was off. So I didn't mean to send it. Almost done. Almost done. Almost done. What was I doing? Sword sacrifice. Let's go. Oh, okay, we're gonna have like one more effect to do. This. And then we got one more to do. This will be the last one. Just give me a second. Okay, this is our last I'm doing the effects now. Let's get these effects finished up. Come on, freezing again. Come on. Ready? Let's finish this up. Let's just finish this last video up and then let's just finish this up and then we'll show you guys how to build it. Let's take some time. Okay, the lasers now for this Iron Man. Let's finish this up. And the sword effects, and then a few more effects. Okay, now I'm a gun effect. Okay, now a punch for Spider-Man. And that's it. Real quick, you click this little settings button right here. See where it says build movie. Clear this. Just wait for it to build for a second. This is build movie. Load for a second. flip up button is saved. It has been saved in your camera roll. There it goes, and you play it. Wait, one time. You also, there you go. Play it one more time. Learn photos. Yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching. That's my tutorial video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to please subscribe, like this video. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. And how I show you guys how to make a stop motion. Next video, we'll be showing you guys this. I'll show you how to upload in the iMovie. But yeah, thanks for watching, and subscribe, like this video. Have a great day. Thanks for watching, and see you guys. Bye.